Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play Pastel Rainbow Out Tower, I guess. So I'm going to just win at cheating. What? Did I just even just get it? What? Oh, the internet. How? I need to cheat.
It used to work.
Why? It's working. You know what? Let's restart. Come on guys, we're gonna just cheat on Roblox. We're going to cheat, and I will be wins. What? Again? This is scam? How dare they? Can I just restart? Let's see. What happened? Come on. Let's see. What happened, guys? Can I get it? What? It's a scam? Why? You know what? Okay, it's good. Yeah, leave it be. Okay, I'm going to get a pro master, guys. Okay, so anyways, guys, we're going to just be an easy game. I'm gonna be a man, guys. I don't know. So I will be it. I will be it again. So anyways, oh wait, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so anyways, this annoying girl, you're trying to just push me like this. Oh, like this, guys. Okay, so anyways, do that. Try not. You know what? I'm going to wait for him. Okay, my brother is here, guys. Hello. I'm going to be. See, guys. Do not fall. Do not fall. Again? Why? Okay. I love you at all. I love you at all. Okay, guys. I'm going to wait for him, guys. So it will take 3 minutes. I'm 1 minute, I guess. So anyways, guys. No, do not fall. They might just fall, guys. Bro, how? Wait for me. Okay, so this hard mode that I normally it's gonna be realistic or stuff, I guess. But I don't really sure about that. I don't see it. Okay. So otherwise, guys, this is the easy game that I just. Oh my god, no! Okay, so I'm gonna keep easy game. Okay, going to wait for it. Stop pushing me, my baby girl. I'm going to call you a baby girl, and I'm Shuffle girl. I love you. I love you, girl. Can you be with me? Please, I love you. Please, I love you. 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 Kissy missy. Banana. Banana. I love you. I love you. You love me. Thank you, happy family. Make me hug me. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So anyways, guys. Oh. Do not fall. Do not fall. Do not fall. No, I fall. Okay. Hey, do not push me. My balls. Okay. Okay. Oh yes. I will beat you. Okay. I will beat you. Oh. Okay. That's good. 9 out of 10. That's good.
Whoa.
I saw it. Okay. 9 out of 10. That's why. Okay. What? Emo? What is your emo? Gotta do. I love her so much. Please kiss me. I think she deserves it. Yes, already. Please don't fail. I think it's 10 out of 10. No! No, I'm going to wait for you. No! Come on. We're going to be win now. We're going to be win. You look at grimace. Why you always a grimace? Hey, you know me. I'm going to be a newbie. A basketball man. Oh. Oh. No, this one is hard. How? This one is hard. Oh. Oh, where's it? Okay, there it is. Do not fall. If I fall, the video ends. Oh.
Palit.
Do not do. Why did I just die then? Did I just die? Okay, let me know in the comments, guys. Come on. Come on, my ball. Pepperoni. Oh, no. Can you do it? Do not. Red fall. Wait. Wait for the spin. Come on. Mwah. I love you. I love you. I love eggs. You like it? You love eggs, guys? I like eggs too. Oh my god, miss. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, do not die. If you die. Okay. I love eggs. I love eggs. No. Okay, we're back into beginning because of this annoying girl. Oh wait, I'm back right there. Oh, do not fall. If I fall, that video. No, this one's hard. Oh my god. Push her. I'm going to push her. Oh! Come on. No! Bro, too hard. You know what? How? You know what? I'm going to end. I'm going to end for a second, guys. So, goodbye, guys.